Jai Gurudev. In this video, I am going to tell you all about what is Qibla and why Hindu should and must know about this Qibla in Islam. In this video, I am going to tell you all about what is Qibla and why Hindu should and must know about this Qibla in Islam. Qibla means all Muslims must pray to the Shivalinga in Kaaba in Makkah in Saudi Arabia. Qibla means all Muslims pray to the direction of the Shivalinga in Kaaba in Makkah in Saudi Arabia. So because of that, all masjids and mosques were built in the direction to Shivalinga in Kaaba in Makkah in Saudi Arabia. Because of this Qibla, that all mosques and masjids were built in the direction to Shivalinga in Kaaba in Makkah in Saudi Arabia. That's why if you observe mosques and masjids around you and all places, they are not exactly parallel to roads or adjacent buildings, and they were in some angle or cross to the road or to the buildings. If you observe mosques and masjids around you and all places, they are not exactly parallel to roads or adjacent buildings, and they were in some angle or cross to the road or to the buildings. Because while praying, all Muslims face in the direction of Shivalinga in Kaaba. While praying, Muslims face in the direction of Shivalinga in Kaaba. And all mosque buildings were built in that direction. All mosques and masjids were built in that direction to face that. If you see in Google Maps, even after 15,000 kilometer distance from Makkah Masjid, they are following Qibla in New Zealand, and all mosques in New Zealand were built like that to face Shivalinga in Kaaba in Makkah. Even in New Zealand, that is around 15,000 kilometers from Makkah Masjid in Saudi Arabia, there also mosques were built in that fashion that the Muslims while praying face to the direction of the Kaaba in Makkah Masjid, Kaaba in Makkah. Like that, tens of lakhs of mosques were built by facing Shivalinga and Kaaba in Makkah in Saudi Arabia. All these things one can verify using Google Maps. We can go through Google Maps. You can search Qibla in the Google Maps. With that, you can search all mosques and masjids and how they built using Qibla. But in India, many temples were built in a way that to face Mount Kailash in Himalayas, which is abode of Shiva, because Hindus feel Mount Kailash is very auspicious to them. That's why in Hindu houses, puja mandirs places in such a way that people face towards northeast while praying to face Mount Kailash in Himalayas, which is abode of Lord Shiva. If you observe in many Hindu houses, puja mandirs place in such a way that people face northeast while praying to face Mount Kailash in Himalayas. If you see that famous Taj Mahal, it doesn't follow Qibla and it faces towards northeast, that is towards Mount Kailash in Himalayas, because it was Shiva temple and Muslims altered the building in such a way that it looks like a mosque. Gol Gumbaz Mosque, the famous Gol Gumbaz Mosque, also doesn't follow Qibla. Bara Imambara Mosque faces Mount Kailash and does not follow Qibla. Like that, many thousands of famous mosques in India doesn't follow Qibla because they were constructed by altering existing Hindu temples. You can read about it in the book by Sitaram Goyal about how around 3000 famous Hindu temples were destroyed and converted into masjids. Around 3000 famous temples in India were destroyed and converted into masjids by Muslims in India. And lakhs of medium to small temples were destroyed by Muslims in 1000 years rule. In around 1000 years rule, lakhs and lakhs of medium to small temples were destroyed by Muslims. Do not trust any Muslim saying that we are Indians and things like that, and they don't give any damn or care about India as a country. Muslims don't care about or don't give a damn about India as a country. Outwardly, they pretend like loving India, but they only care about Saudi Arabia type of law and Sharia law and Muslim community as a whole. One can declare that so-called Indianness is not possible to unite the people of this land, but Hinduness. Indianness is not possible to unite the people of this land, but Hinduness are people belonging to Sanatana Dharma. And Muslims fool Hindus in the name of Indians always that we are Indians and stuff like that. We shouldn't believe them like that. You can search about this Qibla in Google Maps. There are many sites in like that. You can search about Qibla in Google Maps. Even in my local area, there are around 300 to 400 mosques in my local area. I have searched the Qibla with these mosques. They are following Qibla. Even in my local area also around 400 to 500 mosques are there. These 400 to 500 mosques, they were built in such a way that to face Shivalinga in Kaaba in Makkah in Saudi Arabia. Jai Gurudev.